It's 6 p.m. Sunday, August 23, 2020. Let's see if I can fix this air conditioner here. It quit working on me. I'm going to take a look at it and see if I can get it to work. The fan was running earlier and it just quit on me. And take a look at it and see if I can get it to work. Thermostats. Lift that off. I think I can lift that off, can I? Or is there a screw on? Oh yeah, just screws on the inside of it. I gotta take them out. It's humid out there right now. It's friggin' muggy outside. It's a real pain. It's a shame that the air conditioner has to quit on me on a hot, muggy day. I'm gonna see if I can get the thing to work. If I can, oh well. Now I got the air conditioner in the bedroom. That one still works, but I want this one to work. These air conditioners here are brand new. I only had them for 1 year. I bought them last year. But now, can I get this? It should just come off. It's tricky. Here it comes. So I gotta leave that hooked up to that. And it slides out here. See, it slides out. Is that still recording? It is. I'm working on it right now here. I gotta slide it out of the chassis. I'm gonna have to use my other hand. The camera back down. Yeah, they're beeping on me. Get a better view. If I can't get this air conditioner to work, I'm just going to have to go and buy another Aug unit. Thermostat wire. Get it out of there or not. Come on. If you can just get it. Maybe I don't need to take it out. Alright. I just discovered a problem with my air conditioner. One of my fan blades here in the rear end broke on me. I don't know how that happened, but you see right there, the fan blade broke on me. I need a flashlight. Alright, so I slide the air conditioner out, and it's resting on the coffee table. And this is pretty cool. There's the inside of it. And I don't know if I can get it to work or not, but we have a problem here. One of the fan blades has broken off right in the bottom there. I don't know if you can see it. See if we can get a better picture of it. So there's my fan blade right there on the outside of on the condenser unit. I don't know how it happened, but one blade has broken off. And it was running good for me. And then right around at 10 to 2 at 1:50 p.m. today, the fan on the outside of the air conditioner made some awful noises. And it was really vibrating, rattling and everything. So I honestly don't think there's anything wrong with the air conditioner at all. I think the capacitor is fine. But somehow, I think the fan on the outside of the air conditioner, on the outside fan was loose. So I think it got loose. And, but it looks like the one blade there is at the end, and that's causing it not to turn. So I'll see if I can get it to work anyhow. So got a broken blade there. I'm going to see if I can take that out of there. And there it is right there. And then there's the outside of the air conditioner. You see how I done it here? Is I leave the cabinet. I got the cabinet here mounted in on the. Got it mounted in on the plywood there. So I got the chassis or I got the cabinet. I got it all screwed up. I got it screwed in on the 2x4. Now I don't know. Let's see if I can get it to work or not. But it's a fan blade there. But this is a brand new air conditioner unit. I bought these brand new last year at the Home Depot. And then 1 year later, the air conditioner in the living room decides to quit on me. And but I'll see if I can get it to work. But if I can't get this thing to work, then I'm going to have to just eventually we'll just pull this air conditioner out of the chassis, I'll pull the air conditioner out of the cabinet, and then I'll buy a brand new LG 12,000 BT air conditioning unit, and I'll just slide the brand new air conditioner back in the cabinet. But for now, this one's not working. It had quit on me. I'm going to see if I can get it to work here. So let's turn the power on and hopefully it doesn't catch fire. The side of it, This LG 12,000 BTU air conditioning unit, it works very good. I keep it well maintained. I wash the filter like once a month. And I have it on a timer and a thermostat on the wall, and I have it so it kicks on and off automatic. But for some reason today, which is bad luck, and for some reason the fan blade had broken off on the outside of the unit. So maybe for now I can get this to work for now, but probably within next year. And hopefully the Home Depot will still carry LG air conditioning units. So I'll be going into the Home Depot next year, like in May of 2021 or June 2021, to buy like 3 more air conditioners. So buy like 2 more LG 12,000s and 1 LG 8,000. So let's just turn it on here and see if it's gonna work for me or not. So we got no. All right, I'm gonna hit the power button, see if it fires up or not. Hope I don't get electrocuted. This is dangerous. And it's on. It's on, but the fan's not turning on for some reason. This is not good. So you know what I think what's wrong with this air conditioner? Because the fan won't run when the air conditioner is powered up. So when the air conditioner is turned on here, the fan doesn't want to run. And that tells me the capacitor has went to my air conditioner. So I need a new capacitor. That's what's wrong with this air conditioner. Therefore my air conditioner is not going to work. The capacitor has run on it. I think the capacitor has run on it. Also, I got a broken fan on the outside, so yeah, unscrewed. So it's either I call a repairman. I turn it off here because it's either I need a repairman to come out and fix this air conditioner, or I'll just go out and buy another brand new LG 12,000 BT air conditioning unit. Anyhow, oh well, she quit on me. What's next to do now is slide her back into Chelsea. Now turn it off. And turn the power off to the thermostat. And disconnect the power to the breaker. Or disconnect the power to the air conditioner for safety reasons. There. Power is disconnected to the living room AC for safety reasons. Well, that's too bad it had to happen, but no big deal. I'll just go out and buy another air conditioner. Big deal. Then when I get the brand new one, I just take this one out and slide it in the cabinet, and I'm good to go. There's the outside of the air conditioner. As you can see, the air conditioner is out of the cabinet, which is pretty cool. So it's out of the cabinet right now, as you can see. So I'm gonna slide her back in the cabinet. She's broken. She's broke down on me. Okay, I slide the air conditioner back in the cabinet. So all I gotta do now is screw the grill back on and screw And put the screws on the sides of it. And we're good to go. Beep, 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 beep. And there's a drive-in concert next door at the church here in Verona. Alright, I got it all screwed on there. It's all screwed on. There's a side screw on there. See the side screws on. The side screws on, there it is. And the other side of it as well. A very, very nice brand new air conditioner that's 1 years old, and then sure enough, the fan blade, piece of plastic off the fan had to break on the outside of the condenser unit, and I got the night light thermostat sensor wire all taped up there to the night light and everything, but makes no sense because I'm not going to be using the air conditioner because she broke down on me. Aug 12,000 living room. So I'll have to go out and buy another one next year. I'll be buying the Aug 12,000 at the Home Depot. Window air conditioner unit. So it's broken, it don't work anymore. Good news is the heat still works off the air conditioner. So I still got heat for the fall time and the winter months. But no air condition. No air condition. Air conditioner has broke down on me and it's only 1 year old. So my air conditioner in the living room, the Aug 12,000, has broke down on me. I have a nice ceramic heater. It keeps me nice and toasty warm during the fall time. And here's my thermostat. I just switched the thermostat here. I switched the thermostat over from heat mode to cool mode. I don't know if you can see that or not. I switched the thermostat over from cool to heat mode. So it's on heat mode right now. And there's my cool 24-hour on and off timer. It's pretty neat. Alright, so the thermostat's on right now. It's set at 15 degrees, set at heat on 15 degrees Celsius. Let's see when the heater turns on. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Turns on at 20. So heat on 26 degrees Celsius and the light is off. The light's off on it. I don't know if you can see that or not. Sorry, it's so 26. And it turns on at 27 there, so heat on 27 degrees Celsius. Alrighty, so it's set at 27. I have it set on at heat on 27 degrees Celsius. Do a zoom up on it for you. It's hard to see it though. If you can see it better. There we go. So I have it set at 27. 27, that's where it's set at. Get the idea how it works. And if I turn it back a degree, it will turn the heater off. See? And then if I turn the thermostat back up to 27, it will turn my heater back on for me. So I got it all made. So now I have a broken air conditioner that doesn't work anymore because I found out the problem. The fan on the outside of the unit has broken off. The fan blade has broken. And I also think another thing what's wrong with the air conditioner is the capacitor went. Therefore, if you put a new capacitor in the air conditioner, then your air conditioner and the fan will power up. So, I could probably have a repairman come out and fix my air conditioner. All he's got to do is put a new capacitor in there and a new fan blade. It might be a little bit cheaper or not. other than that, I'm planning on going out. I'm just going to go out to the Home Depot next year and buy 2 more air conditioners. And yeah, so the boards are all made, and we'll budget on spending more money on more air conditioners. Blame it on COVID-19. My air conditioner has caught COVID. Oh dear. And the heater's on right now, and it's working really good. It's on. Good news is I have a second brand new LG 8000 BT air conditioning unit for the bedroom. So this is going to have to do for now. This is what's going to cool my whole apartment, because the other air conditioner in the living room has broken down on me. It quit working. This one's still working. This is an 8000 BTU unit, LG 8000. It cools up to 340 square feet. It blows really good. I got it in fan mode. So if I find it really hot and it's too humid and stuff, I'm just going to have to run this one and just use the one. So I'm down from 2 to 1 now. So the other one in the living room has crit on me. But oh well. This one still works, and I bought the air conditioners last year. I bought both of them the same day, so this one's still working for me. And, I'm gonna have to go into the store next year, go to the Home Depot and buy some more air conditioning units. So just save up a little bit of money. We'll have no problem getting the other 2 units. Oh, I got this one anyhow. It's back. Turn the thermostat off to it. I got the air conditioner on heat mode. Oh, at least I have a good sense of humor. Really, I should be angry, but I'm not angry. Got the air conditioner on heat unit. The heater's on. 1500 watts. 1500 watts. Yeah. Oh, at least I still got heat on the air conditioner. That's a good thing. I'm going to need it on a chilly fall day. So, at this point, I don't really give a darn that my air conditioner quit on me. I just do the old-fashioned way and open up the window and crank the square fan on. The outside of the air conditioner, there it is, right there. The outside of the air conditioner unit. The living room, anyhow. She died on me, folks. She died on me. My best friend left me. LG left me. And this one here in the bedroom still working for me. LG 8000. Alright, I got the window open. Got the window open right now. Window's wide open. And the square fan is cranked up. Square fan's cranked up. Well, hopefully my brand new TVs won't crit on me. What's next? What's next? Yeah, I was feeling just slightly down, you know. I just felt a little bit depressed. Just was feeling down and kind of bored and lonely. Feeling that lonely feeling. And yeah, I certainly really need to be around people. But with COVID-19, it's tough. But anyhow, hopefully my family and hopefully I'll get company one of these days. That's all I'm going to say. So I got the square fan cranked on here right now. It's a nice breeze. Thanks for watching. Over and out. I'm going to close up the window because I'm just letting in the humidity. Just going to make it hotter in here. I'll close up the window. Got no air condition though. This is my air condition. The square fan's my air condition. The square fan's my air condition. Scrapped hands my air condition. But that's too bad it had to happen. Oh well.